We'll guide you through how to generate Gcode from Inkscape. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Inkscape on your computer and make sure you have the latest version installed, as newer updates often include important fixes and improvements. Begin by creating or opening the design you want to convert into Gcode. Once your design is ready, you'll need to convert it into paths if it's not already. To do this, select your design, then go to the Path menu at the top and click on Object to Path. This ensures that your design is in a format that can be properly interpreted for Gcode. Next, go to the Extensions menu, choose Gcode Tools, and then click on Path to Gcode. If you don't see this option, you might need to install the Gcode Tools extension, which is often included in the default Inkscape installation. But if it's missing, you can download it from the Inkscape website or other trusted sources. In the Path to Gcode dialog, you'll see various settings for your Gcode file. You should specify the output directory where you want the Gcode file to be saved. Adjust other settings as needed, like the tool diameter and feed rates based on your specific CNC machine or 3D printer requirements. It's a good idea to check your machine's manual or manufacturer's guidelines for these settings. Once everything is set up, click on the Apply button to generate the Gcode. Inkscape will process your design and save the Gcode file in the location you specified. You can now use this Gcode file with your CNC machine or 3D printer software to start your project. Remember, it's crucial to review and simulate your Gcode in your machine software to ensure everything looks correct before starting the actual milling or printing process. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.